Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs. This is their Avocado Bath Bomb, which is super tiny. I knew it would not last long in the tub. It's supposed to smell like lime and avocado and salt, and it just smelled like soap. Just regular soap. That's all it smelled like. And it's supposed to come with one of 2 limited edition rings, which you can see pictured on their website. And though it tried to leave the screen, I had to nudge it to keep it in there because I didn't want to cut the footage of this so you could see how quickly in real time that it was dissolving. Since the ring container is exposed, you know, it doesn't take long for it to dissolve, so in total, less than a minute. And there's not too much pigment to the water. Just very light green. There's like oils and stuff floating on top of the water. And inside the container, you get a code that you enter on their website, and it'll tell you how many reward points you got. And then the ring. The ring I don't think is a duplicate that I've gotten before, but it is so similar to a ring I've gotten from them in the past. Not sterling silver or anything like that. And I did get 100 Pearl points, which is the reward system. When I entered that code, doesn't give you any additional information like how much the ring appraises for or anything like that. But that is what I have for you today. If you'd like to see more from Pearl Bath Bombs, please leave me a comment, let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.